Here's how to fix Roblox voice chat not working. First, join a game and look at the top corner for a headset icon. Click it to join voice chat. If you see a microphone icon instead, make sure it is not muted. Press Escape or click the Roblox icon to open the menu and go to Settings. Scroll to Voice Chat and set it to Connected. Set your input device to your microphone and your output device to your headset or speakers. Make sure the volume is turned up. This sounds obvious, but it is a common reason people think voice chat is broken when it is actually just silent. Also, confirm the game you are in supports voice chat. Not all games have it enabled, so try a different game first to isolate whether the issue is the game or your account. If none of that works, go to More, then Settings, then Account Info. Scroll to Personal Settings and look for a Continue with Camera or Continue with Selfie option. Age verification is required for voice chat, and without completing it, the feature stays locked regardless of other settings. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.